take your iPhone photo with the sun at 45 degrees. But you can take your iPhone photography to the next level by doing this. First, have the person move into the shade. Then select Portrait, click on the F icon on the top right and bring it all the way down to f1.4 aperture. Select the little cube icon and select Studio Light. It's always flattering for a woman to stand at 45 degrees and have her play with her hair. Then take the shot. Open it up in your photo app, select the Adjust Cube icon, select Brilliance and bump it up. Select saturation and just increase it just a little bit. Next, select noise reduction and zoom in and increase the noise reduction until her skin is soft but not too muddy. Select definition and increase that just enough so that the soft edges are sharpened. Select vignette and increase that just a little bit to darken the edges. Go to crop 9:16 vertical and zoom in and make sure her eyes fit in that rule of third line. Now you have a professional photo taken straight from your iPhone. Subscribe and follow for more.